Hi all, welcome to another edition of King Joe's Unboxing. Poster time! Okay, tell you, no tabs, not good. Me and my tabs. Okay. The Decepticons. What I should do is I'm going to put the thing on pause, I'm going to frame them. Then well, I guess I'm not going to be showing them off yet because I don't have frames big enough. I thought they were 24 by, these two posters were 24 by 36. They're not. They're probably 26 or 28 by 40. So, oh joy. Because I actually have a couple older Star Wars posters, and I have an Indiana Jones VHS movie poster that are this size, which I'm having a hard time finding frames that big. But when I get them framed, I'll show them. Because I like them. They're actually from the IDW line of Transformers, but they're the classic Transformers, so good job. These are going to be up in the attic soon, so I want to thank everybody for viewing and subscribing. King Joe out.